Rottnest Island is Perth's very own island getaway, offering a casual atmosphere, picturesque scenery, and some of the world's finest beaches and bays. In this video, we will visit some of those bays with splendid drone images. We took the 30 minutes and 19 kilometers Rottnest Express ferry from Fremantle to Rottnest Island, located just 19 kilometers at 7 a.m. Our price was including bicycle rental on the ferry. When you arrive in Thompson Bay, you will see the perhaps most photographed animal in the world, the quokka. This animal is native to Rottnest Island and looks like a pint-sized kangaroo. The quokkas roam freely around the island and are very friendly creatures. But quokkas are wild animals and endangered species, so help to protect them and don't feed, don't touch, and don't harm. The name of Rottnest is from 1696, when Dutch sailor William de Vlamingh first saw large numbers of these animals and thought it were rats. So he called this a rat's nest. On the southeast corner of Rottnest Island, you will find Henrietta Rocks. This is a quiet cove and one of the more private beaches on the island. With its clear water and calm conditions, it's a relaxing place. Both rugged and beautiful, it hides a secret under the waves. Here's why Henrietta Rocks is a must-visit spot and why it might just become your new favorite Rottnest destination. Here, you can have one of Rottnest Island's iconic snorkeling experiences, so don't forget your snorkeling equipment. Just 50 meters from the beach, you'll find the wreck of the old barge, the Shark, underneath the water. The Shark was an old hopper barge that ran aground on the rocks in 1938. A tugboat towed it to Cape Vlamingh, but rough seas caused it to break free from the tow line during the trip. The barge drifted across the waves to make Henrietta Rocks its final resting place. Now, encrusted in barnacles and covered with seaweed, it's an intriguing place to dive under the water and explore. Poking above the waves, you can see it from the beach. Interpretive panels at the lookout above the beach let you learn more about the Henrietta Rocks shipwreck. Rottnest Island is a true biker's paradise, with minimal cars on the island. You only see the tour buses constantly driving around from one stop to the other. Cycling is the best way to get around Rotto. Porpoise Bay is a large bay and beach area just to the east of Parker Point and one of the first stops on the bus trip around Rottnest. It is well worth a stop. This bay is a tranquil, south-facing coastal area on Rottnest Island, nestled behind large vegetated sand dunes. The white sandy beach with clear turquoise water, making it a stunning spot for relaxation. The beach stretches for 1 kilometer and is located between the popular shipwreck at Henrietta Rocks and the scenic Parker Point. A great spot for a secluded beach stroll to explore the unique island vegetation, and many boat owners moor their boats in the calm, clear bay. Due to the thick carpet of seagrass on the ocean floor, the bay is better suited for walking, supping, and boating than for swimming. Note that the beach is unpatrolled. Wadjemup Lighthouse, or Rottnest Island Light Station, was constructed in 1896 at the highest point on the island, as a safeguard to provide a safer sailing passage for ships to Fremantle Harbor and the Swan River. Built to replace the original stone lighthouse from 1849 that stood in its place. With an impressive 38 meters tall, it's the 4th tallest lighthouse in Australia. This taller, more advanced lighthouse provided better navigation for passing ships and helped to reduce the number of vessels that ran aground on the coral shores. In 1990, it became fully automatic. With a newer, brighter light and a range of 26 nautical miles, some 50 kilometers, this lighthouse is still a crucial beacon that helps vessels safely navigate their way towards Fremantle Port. Cape Vlamingh is the westernmost point and most exposed area of Rottnest Island. There is no solid landmass between this point and Madagascar, 6,436 kilometers away. It is named after a Dutch sea captain, Willem de Vlamingh, who on 29 December 1696 landed on Rottnest Island. The Cape Vlamingh Heritage Trail at West End is a leisurely walk of about 1 kilometer, which can be completed in about 30 minutes. Along the trail, you can see the burrows of Wedge-Tailed Shearwaters, Quokkas, and Fairy Terns. Bottlenose dolphins are often seen surfing in the breakers.